The exterior of the Walesbilt Hotel is illuminated as construction plans move forward with the award-winning real estate and development firm Restoration St. Louis Incorporated. City staff signed an interim agreement with Restoration St. Louis Incorporated to begin and prepare the hotel for construction. The agreement authorizes the developer to implement project goals, assess structural and historical conditions, establish guidelines to meet regulatory requirements and historic preservation standards, and initiate the pre-construction design and construction documents. During the design phase, city staff and representatives of Restoration St. Louis will finalize the details of the construction agreement. Private sector firm PlaceEconomics reports the long-term economic impact of the hotel restoration is estimated to create more than 180 jobs and generate more than $12 million in first-year visitor spending. So what's next? Architects will use 3D laser scanning techniques to create a high-precision digital 3D model known as point cloud. This process documents exact as-built conditions, including sagging floors, damaged facades, and structural details to aid in restoration. Next comes the design phase and approvals, construction documents, and permitting, and then construction begins. City staff jumped on the opportunity to speed up the construction process. Tons of concrete rubble was removed over a 30-day period, and specialists tagged historic hotel artifacts and memorabilia to be considered for adaptive reuse to maintain the character-rich design and architectural history of the Walesbilt Hotel. Stay connected with us on social media, subscribe to us on Nextdoor, and tune in to us on YouTube.